Listen, you two, I'm playing a prank on your mom.
Oh, really? What prank?
You'll see. I don't think you should prank Mom. What did you just call me? Nothing? I hear her coming. Shh. Get up, I'm sitting there. Oh. Where are my Oreos? And why are there Chips Ahoy cookies in here?
Nah, Dad, you went too far with that prank.
What are you talking about? I didn't do anything. You sick piece of...
Never touch my Oreos.
Honey, I'm sorry.
Dad, you looked like a bird when you was flying.